Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can change brightness on ASUS Monitor. So what you'll need to do is basically click on the menu, so use this button, and then you will be able to change brightness. But right now I'm in blue light filter, so I can change that. Let me go to this one, and then basically I will be able to select my brightness and edit my brightness. And as you can see, you can use the arrows to navigate and change the brightness of your monitor like this, and that's how you do that. So I will leave mine at 85 and click on the check, and that's how you basically change brightness on your ASUS monitor. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.